Okay, this is spin tennis ball machine with iPhone remote controller. For easy demonstration, I put the iPhone on the ball machine so we can see in parallel of the iPhone controller with control panels, LCD screen. Okay, now we press the drill maker button. Okay, it will show it in the in the left top corner. You can see the status means connected. Has show us connected. First, I would like to introduce the different buttons on the iPhone. In fact, if you take a look at the control panel with the iPhone's control panel, you can see that it's very similar. Most of the button can see the same button on the control panel. Also, there was a LCD screen on the control panel, show the different values. Such values was also shown on the iPhones at each right bottom corner. Each time I press the button on the iPhone, it will beep inside the machine to show that it received the control signals. So I would like to have a brief introduction of the different buttons on the machine, on the iPhone. The first button, this button, is to start the machine. Currently, the machine has been powered on, but it's not in running because we did not press this button. Similarly, you can see the similar button here on the control panel. Now the status is not in running. The first line, the button is different oscillation mode, is horizontal oscillation mode, 2-line oscillation mode, vertical oscillation mode is without oscillation mode, non-oscillation mode. So oscillation mode means a machine can feed the balls in different direction, in height level or in horizontal level, different direction to make different drill mode. This green color button is for different control values. S means speed, F means feed rate, W1, W2 is for the width on the horizontal oscillation mode. This is for the spin level. This is height. H1 and H2 is for the vertical oscillation modes, different height settings. Plus and minus button is when we want to change the values, we need to first choose values, and then we press plus or minus to increase or decrease the values. This enter button was used when we want to change the height. Each time we set the height values, after we set the height values using the H, we need to press this enter button to make it take effective. Also, now we can have a demonstration to control the different values first using this iPhone, and then we can we can start a machine and we can control the different oscillation mode. Okay, so we can take a look at the speed level. You can see the speed level now. Currently the setting is 11, 11. Now here the rate, the rate is also 11, 11. So okay, let's first press this button. Okay, the rate is shining, and we press plus button. Each time we press it, it will beep, and now it's like 16. Is 16. Okay, we minus, decrease it. Okay, it's like 12. Is 12. Okay, now we change the feed rate. Feed rate now is 6. Okay, we add it. The maximum feed rate is 9. So when it go to 9, we press this button. It will not increase its value. Its maximum value is 9, and we can decrease it. Okay, now is 7. Okay, now the feed rate is 6. Feed rate here is 6. Okay, we keep it. Is 5, 4. Okay, let's increase it. 6, 7. Okay, this is for okay, let's try the height. The height value is 12. 1, 2 is 12 also. Okay, let's increase it. 13, 14, 15. Okay, it can show that the different values can be controlled. Okay, maybe we can now start the machine, so I can give a full machine show here. I press this button. You can hear that the main service motor inside the machine has been running. Okay, as see here, this is feeder wheels. These feeder wheels is used to control the feed rate. Currently, the feed rate is like 7. If we control, we increase it to 9, the maximum. In the maximum feed rate, this wheel will keep running. But in the low level feed rate, it will with like intervals. Okay, let's decrease it. Okay, it will like 1 second interval. Let's decrease it again. It's now the feed rate is 6, so it's with 3 second intervals. Okay, 3 seconds intervals. Also, we can increase the speed. This is speed. We can increase the speed. First, press S button and then. Okay, you can maybe you can hear the noise of the motor became high. We cannot see the. It's not easy for us to show the ball speed now, but it can easily be easily filled through the noise of the machine. Okay, now we start the different oscillation mode. The first oscillation mode is horizontal. After we press this button, the machine will be rotating itself, horizontally. You can see that the machine is in oscillation mode, a horizontal oscillation mode. In oscillation mode, I can also increase the feed rate. Okay, now the feed rate is feed wheel keep running. Okay, let's try the 2/9. 2/9 oscillation mode. It will just at 2/9. At 2/9 is like is feed the ball backhand and forehand. So you can see that the machine will oscillate in the right hand position, and then feeder wheels can start, and then go back to the left hand position and the feeder wheels start. Okay, this is the vertical oscillation mode. The vertical oscillation mode, the ball height will be changed. We cannot see the ball height, but we can see it's like show in LCD with the control panel. It now shows the 2-9 vertical mode. In fact, this is this shows that it can be controlled by the remote controller. In fact, in the remote controller, in the top right corner, it also shows the 2-9 vertical mode. Now, if we want to go back to the manual mode, manual mode is the mode without oscillation. We just press this button. Okay, let's see. It's go back to the manual mode, and also it's go back to the manual mode. We go to the 2-9 mode. The machine will be oscillation in 2-9 mode, and this mode here go to the 2-9 mode. Okay, we can now stop the machine. You can see the machine gets stopped, and the main service motor also stopped. Calm down. Okay, this is a demonstration of this machine to be controlled using this iPhone application. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to send to us, and thanks for your time.